So we're in Sanjayvan in Delhi, and this is mica, which is a minor mineral that looks like this, and it's very flaky and kind of shiny, and used in cosmetics, in paint. This is sort of exported out of India and to many other countries for all sorts of commercial purposes.
And it's found naturally in the ground like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.